What's going on, YouTube? Buddha Freestyle here. On my way home early from a trip to the park, I did something really dumb and I took off without plugging in my booster, and of course my quad fail-safed right over a patch of concrete. I'll have the DVR footage up for you guys in a second. Honestly, I lost my GoPro. I lost a couple of parts to my quad. That sucked. Lightbearer FPV and another friend of ours are coming by to help me rebuild something out of all the spare parts I got laying around. The only thing that bugs me is I lost a Hero 4 Black, and I had a gimbal and a bunch of parts, and I in fact just ordered a TPU mount for it that I'm gonna have to see if I can replace with a Session 5 mount. But I did some research. It looks like the Session 5 might work with my gimbal, only because the weight is about the same. I don't know, we'll see what I come up with. Hopefully I'll cut to that DVR footage now. See you guys later.